Well, there we are. Our Kalbarri Skywalk. I can't stir Michelle. I can, but it's not going to be worth it. Nice sculpture, actually. Well, there we are. The Skywalk. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, golly gosh. Oh wow. This, yeah. Absolutely, this is nice.
On the inside. Look.
Oh. Yeah. This is spectacular. This is majorly spectacular. Tell you what, this is definitely worth the drive out. Unbelievable. I hope Mum can get here. Wow. I'd love to see this bathed in sunshine. Unbelievable. Yep. You lose your stuff if you drop it. Wow. Get an idea of the Skywalk there. Wow. I've seen some amazing things, but this is as good as I've seen. Skywalk over the Murchison River, Kalbarri National Park. And just a gentle breeze. Wow. Love to see it in full sunshine. Here's me walking out into the second one. Shelley's already out here. Check this out. Oh wow, these are good. And good on them for doing it too. I'll zoom in on Shelley. She's on the other one. There she is. Oh dear. Wowza. Look at that. Well, Shelley, you made it. Well, guess what? I will. Because that's it, nature's window. Look at that. That's what Shelley wanted to see. We're here. It is good. There it is, eh? And look at the view it's got. Look at that. Yeah. Just here. Oh. There you go. I'll get the other camera up in a minute. Alright, huh?
Nature's window.
You made it.
Off the bucket list. Yay!
And boy, oh boy. It's worth every bit of it, I'm telling you. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially when you see through there. Well, here it is, nature's window. I'll go around the other side in a second, but wow. And I mean wow. Wow. Look how windswept the rocks are. Golly. So that's obviously the other walk. That's for another day. I will do it. Sound of nothing. Wow. Wow. There are some walks you actually do which take your breath away. I can tell you now, this is one of the best I've ever done. This reminds me when I did Valley of the Winds this time last year actually, and there was not a breath of wind for 2 days when we did it. Not a cloud in the sky or a breath of wind. This is what this is. So nature's window, no breeze, on sunset. It is worth every bit of it. It is astonishingly beautiful. Glad we did it. Love to come back here on a hot summer's day. Just experience it, but maybe we turn around, you might get the pink sky behind me. How nice is this? Unbelievable. Might even come back here again tomorrow. That is insane. Look at that. Wow. Well, it's what we wanted. Look at the sun through there. That is insane. There you go. Sunset through nature's window. Just on the foreshore at Kalbarri. I'll go down to the water and have a closer look, but yeah. Bloody nice place. Didn't realise, I thought they were all new builds coming into town. Discovered last night that it wasn't. It was a cyclone over summer that destroyed 70% of the buildings, took the roofs off them. In fact, accommodation is so scarce up here, it's teachers and police officers now are living in their cars. Crazy, isn't it? You wouldn't think it'd happen in this day and age. There's the point up there. That place up there has lost its roof. Amazing. There we go, just on the water's edge at Kalbarri. So this is the estuary. I believe it's the Murchison River. Look at that. Bloody beautiful. Look at the colour of the water. I said a 24-hour stopover for people. It would fill up with hundreds of caravans and campers overnight. And there's no rubbish. There's toilets up there. There's fire pits to burn and cook on. They're a brilliant idea. It's probably the second or third one we've seen. And it is superb. Good on them for doing it. There should be a lot more of these. They're nothing to look after, and people look after themselves. As long as you can burn the rubbish, people will go around, collect it and burn it. I just pulled over at the Billabong Roadhouse. There it is there. I went inside, grabbed something to eat, and she just reminds me of the ones we stop at in... What does it look like to buy Ford Rangers? They're going to take off at 100 mile an hour. There we are, the Billabong Roadhouse. You can camp here, I believe, both sides of the road, and I reckon that'd fill up very, very quickly. And this is what you see a lot of. Everything. There we are. Nanga Bay Resort and Caravan Park, Shark Bay World Heritage Area. That gives you an idea of where we are. So we're where the big tick is. And we're heading towards Denham now. But we should find out whether we stay at Nanga Bay, because Shell Beach is only 10 k's from it. So I'll talk to Michelle about that one. This is bloody beautiful. Yeah, that's what I read. Shell Beach was 10 k's away. What a spot. So we just pulled over at the information booth. Look at this. And not a breath of wind. God, it's magnificent. Wow, this is... I can't describe how nice this is.